Hey guys, it's Ben here, bringing you something new to the channel. It's unboxing of the Recesky twin lens reflex camera from Recesky, and hopefully making it as well. But that'll probably be just like parts as we go along, because as it says here, assembly in 1 hour, and I don't really think that anyone will want to watch probably 2 hours of me failing to make a camera. So I'm probably just putting clips of as we go along. So let's open it up here, and here. And as you see, we get to the box, and you open it up, you've got a strap, it looks like, pretty flimsy, and then all the parts in here, like front casing, whatever it is, sides here, rear here, and then like all the different camera parts and the lenses here. Yeah, I think that's what they are. So, you also get a little screwdriver. It's actually metal at the end of it, so not bad. To say the whole kit of the camera was £10 including postage and packaging, or £9.90 including postage and packaging. I think pretty good. You can probably get them cheaper, but I just went for the first one on eBay. So here we've just got what Japanese instructions, or Chinese, or whatever it is. How the bloody hell am I meant to do these? Jesus. Oh right, so this is going to take me a lot longer than I thought. Oh yeah. Oh well, I'll soldier on. What is this meant to say? Jesus. Yeah, so this is just a quick unboxing of the Recesky twin lens reflex camera, and I'll bring you a video of it hopefully finished later on. So yeah, like, favourite, comment, subscribe for more stuff like this. I've been Ben for the B Films production, and see you in the next video.